There's a mini waterfall there, but the road here, superb. Amazeballs! Okay, let's go. Hello and good morning.
Good morning.
Let me just... Okay, that was... So, yesterday we ran all over the place. A lot of the waterfalls and the viewpoints were full of people. Really crowded. So we decided to come back today for other places. Now we're going to the Tahiti Waterfalls. They are very well known in the Gerês area. Yesterday all of this was packed full of cars, crazy place. This is a dangerous place. A lot of this year, with more crowds coming, more people get hurt, broken legs, broken arms.
Oh yeah, we get news like almost every day, at least every week. There's someone getting really injured in here. So if you come here, just be careful. We left the car really far away because it seems really unsafe to park here. So we don't mind walk.
Yeah, there's still a lot of people arriving, and it's not 10 a.m.
No.
And
So I think I just adopted a cat. She was just here outside and I started petting her and she just came to our car, and yeah, she's the sweetest thing. I think it's a she. I'm not sure, but I think it's a she, and she's so sweet. Like, she just came into our car. She's hurt. She doesn't have like a fully open eye. I don't know if you could see. I'm gonna try to see if she wants some food or some water.
Are you tired?
Not at all.
Sure. Liar. This is how we end our day, with this amazing sunset behind our camping site.
Yeah, it's just right there.
Yeah. What about today? We visit beautiful places that are full of trash thanks to all the
Humans.
visitors,
Humans.
all the human visitors there. And we passed through a lot of fires, wildfires, that thanks to also humans. So yeah, we are good destroying
it's
things.
because of the heat. It's not humans.
Visit Portugal, make it clean, keep it clean,
And keep it safe.
keep it safe. Or wherever you are, stay safe. And see you tomorrow in Braga.
Bye.